Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Telegram notifications on your PC using Telegram Desktop. If you want to customize notification alerts, sounds, or chat notifications, this guide will help you do it easily. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, then open Settings. From there, click Notifications and Sounds. Here you'll see the global notification settings. The first option is Desktop Notifications. You can turn this on or off depending on whether you want Telegram notifications to appear on your desktop. The next option is Flash the taskbar icon. When this is enabled, the Telegram icon on the Windows taskbar will flash when you receive a new message. Below that, you'll find Allow Sound. Turn this on if you want Telegram to play a notification sound when messages arrive. You can also adjust the notification volume using the volume slider. Now scroll down to Notifications for chats. Here you can separately manage notifications for private chats, groups, and channels. Simply turn these options on or off based on your preference. You can also control reactions notifications, which alerts you when someone reacts to your messages or poll votes. Further down, you'll find event notifications such as contact, join Telegram, and pinned messages. You can enable or disable these notifications individually. After making your changes, Telegram saves the settings automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. That's how you can change Telegram notifications on PC using Telegram Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Telegram Desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.